Alright, so this is what it looks like on the fuel line. This was this way. So I had to cut that because of that garbage. And that's where this will union with the clip on the end, or not the clip there. And we'll go along, and the tube will be there. We'll stick that on the end of the tube. That's 3/8. Wrong one. This one will go here with the clip. And then starting up here, the fuel filter, you can see how that's going to work. Go along the line. This will come up to the other end. Also, I've got this cutter. I'll show you from SUR. It works out pretty good. All right, next we'll go over to the vehicle.